How to go live on Twitch. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can go live on Twitch. If you also want to go live on Twitch, then you will need to follow these steps. Unfortunately, you will not be able to go live on Twitch directly. Instead, you will need to use other streaming software. Twitch supports various streaming softwares like OBS Studio, Streamlabs OBS, Twitch Studio, etc. Here I am going to use OBS Studio. For that, first of all, you need to make sure you have already downloaded OBS Studio on your desktop. Once you have done that, open your OBS Studio, and once you open it, here at the right side, you will be able to see the control section. From here, you will need to select Settings option. Click on Settings. And in the setting page, here at the left side, you will be able to see Stream option. Click on it. And then in this page, here you will need to click on this Custom. And from the drop down, here select Twitch. Once you click on Twitch, now you will need to connect your account to OBS Studio. Click on this Connect Account button. And now log into your account. You will need to enter your username and password in order to log into your Twitch account. Enter your username in the first box and your password in the next box. Make sure to enter the correct password here. After entering the password, now click on this login button right here and then you will be able to log into your account. If you are connecting your Twitch account to OBS Studio for the first time, then you will need to click on the authorize button which will be presented to your screen. After that, you can see you have successfully connected your Twitch account to OBS Studio. Once after doing that, you can configure OBS scenes and sources. You can add a scene in OBS, add sources like game capture, webcam or display capture depending on what you want to stream. Click on this apply button at the bottom right. And here if you want to add a title, you can add it here and then click on this done button at the right side. After that, now you can click on the start streaming button at the right bottom and then you will be able to stream live on Twitch. You can also monitor your stream and chat via the Twitch dashboard. Make sure to engage with your viewers via Twitch chat and have fun while streaming. So by following these steps, you should be able to go to live on Twitch. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.